I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family.
Hey guys, we're going to the car show right now. We're gonna drive there right now. We'll see you there. Seeing these cars.
Is this all the cars or are more cars coming? Are more cars coming?
Are these cool cars, Ralph?
Yeah. There's a Lamborghini. I just took a whole bunch of pictures. There's a Lamborghini,
Where is it?
I forgot what it's called. It's a Lamborghini
Look at these.
Avena, or no.
Look at these beautiful cars.
It's so cool.
Oh, those cars.
No, those are other people's cars.
Yeah,
No, they're not. I bet them. Wait, Daddy, are those other people's cars? Yeah. Yeah. Not just.
We'll see you later. Let's go.
Told you they're. Let's check another car. Do you still need it?
I haven't even been inside yet.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go. Wanna go inside? Looks so cool inside.
Yeah. Good, Dave.
Hey, vlogging. Are you vlogging?
This car, you can get inside.
I go inside. I know this. I go first. I want to come. No, I'm going.
Okay, two kids at once.
Me and David.
Okay. Oh. Ready with your cameras.
Guys, you can't go on that side. Guys, you can't go on that side. Oh. I know Jen. Nice. Smile at the camera. David, this is a nice. Guys, nice. I call next after David Nathan.
Cool, right?
I'm gonna go inside. Dave, you wanna go inside after?
Look at these.
Prices get better and better. Everything does. More design, more everything.
Okay, I think this is enough for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it for now. If you like it, comment, subscribe, and bye. Cool cars.